students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept minor and cofactor of determinants. Okay, this is the definition of minor and this is the cofactor definition. Minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and the jth column in which the element Aij lies. So, in a determinant, we will have many elements, right? A11, A12, A21, A22 like this. So, if I want to find the minor of this element means, then I have to delete the corresponding row and the column. By deleting the corresponding row and the column, I can find the minor. Whereas cofactor means, cofactor of an element Aij denoted by Aij is defined by, this is the formula to find the cofactor of an element, where Mij is the minor of Aij. So, to find cofactor, first find the minor and then multiply the minor with this minus 1 to the power of I plus j. This I, j and all denoting the element's position. If the element lies, if the element lies in first row, first column means then A11. If the element lies in first row, second column means A12. If the element lies in first row, third column means A13. So this I denotes the row of the element, J denotes the column. If an element lies in a second row means 2, first column 2, 1. If an element lies in the second row, third column means 2, 3. We have to find the minor and cofactor for this determinant. It is 2 by 2. Minor of A11, that is first row, first column, equal to minor of A12, first row, second column, minor of A21, second row, first column, minor of A22, second row, second column. So, minor of first row, first column element is this one. So, by deleting the corresponding row and column, we will obtain the minor. So, by deleting the corresponding row of this one and column of this one, we will get 3. This is the minor of A11. 3. Next, minor of A12. That is first row, second column element is minus 2. So, by deleting the corresponding, this is corresponding row, corresponding column. By deleting the corresponding row and column, you will get 4. Next, minor of A21, that is second row, first column. Second row, first column element is 4. By deleting the corresponding row and column, we will obtain minus 2. This is the minor of A21. Next, minor of A22. Second row, second column 3. So, by deleting the corresponding row and column, we will obtain 1. This is the minor of A22. Next, cofactor. Cofactor of A11. Already we know that this is the formula to find the cofactor. We will write this small letter Aij in capital form in cofactors. Okay. So, Aij, this denotes the row and this denotes the column, equal to minus 1 I plus j into Mij. So, for this one, the cofactor is minus 1. This 1 denotes I and this 1 denotes j. So, I plus j means here 1 plus 1. Mij means M11. That is minor of A11. What is this? 3. So, minus 1 square into 3. 1 into 3. Final answer is 3. This is the cofactor of A11. In a similar way, this is our M11 minor. This is our M12. This is our M21. This is our M22. Here, cofactor of A first row second column element equal to -1 1 plus 2 into m12. So minus 1 the cube, m12 value is, that is a12 value is 4. So 4 minus 1 to the power of 3 into 4 is minus 4. Next, cofactor of a21. Minus 1, 1 means 2 plus 1 into m21. So minus 1 cube, m21 means minor of a21, that is minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2. So cofactor of a21 is 2. Next, cofactor of a22 equal to minus 1, 2 plus 2 into m22. So minus 1 whole to the power of 4, m22 is 1. So you will get 1. These are our cofactor. Cofactor of a1 is 3, a12 is minus 4, a21 is 2, a22 is 1. This is the formula to find the cofactor, and you will obtain the minor by deleting the corresponding row and column. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.